What's up, guys? Nick Rapazzi here. Welcome to the Out on Motorsports YouTube channel. So we're back to work on the Datsun, and I came home from a golf trip and kind of went nuts on this thing. We got the full rocker panel out. I cut the dog leg out where it's all bad up in here. This is the old seatbelt, I don't know, bracket hole that was in here. So there's a little bit of rust in there. We got to cut all this out. We're going to make a plate and plate this right here tonight and get this level so we can get the rocker panel fitment in here. If you'll see, it was super easy on this side because none of this was rusted out. I just drilled out all the welds and the new one will just slide right into where it's supposed to go. So I went and cleaned all this up in here, and yeah, we're pretty much just gonna make this tonight, get this all finished up, so this way tomorrow night I can come in and we'll start test fitting that and get this dog leg repaired. Because if you could see, they bonded like a 1/4 inch in here. So I'm gonna take all this metal out and we're gonna fix all that so it's new metal and not just a shit ton of Bondo. Even though you're not gonna see any of this because the wide body covers pretty much this entire quarter here. So yeah, let me put you guys down and we'll get right into it.
Always had a way to make it work and find another route. Always had a way to make it work and find another route. Always had a way to make it work and find another route. Always had a way to make it work and find another route. Yeah.
All right, guys, so we got a bit done. A lot of this is going to just be tedious work, so this is going to be a part 1 to a part 2 video of getting this metal filled in. So I cleaned up every piece of rust. There's no rust anywhere left inside of here. I do got to clean this up a little bit more, but I need batteries to charge, so that's why I'm pretty much stopping. So I'm going to come in here, clean up this stuff some more, but there is no rust left. So what we're going to do is we're just going to plate this just like OEM does, because there's one right here. That's like what the OEM shit does. So we're just gonna go right over this, and then I drilled through all the spot welds so this way I can plug weld it on the other side and really have that metal good to there. But once we get that on here, we can start building up this area, so this way we can get the dog leg in, get the rocker fitted, and the outer dog leg panel in. So we probably won't get that till like midweek, but tomorrow night we'll come in and finish this up, so we'll be ready for that. So all right, see you tomorrow. Peace. What's up, guys? Day 2 here. So we're gonna jump right back into this, and basically we're gonna build this pinch weld seam right here, because this is where the rocker here sits and everything gets flushed up. So we're gonna do this the same thing that we did over there. We just did the 1/4 inch plate because this is the foundation for the jack points that I'm putting on each corner, so I can put a side skirt on this. So with me doing that, it's basically gonna be like 3 plates of metal here just to make it all structured in, because right here is where the roll cage is, so the jack point is directly in line with the body here. So yeah, we're gonna get this plate made. I already have it like cut up and started over there. It's 2 inches down, and we're doing 5.5 across, so it'll be a plate right across here, and then we'll get our second piece in and fix this metal up here too. But let me show you the new piece right there. I'm gonna get this cut out, and then we'll show you welding this bitch in.
Always had a way to make it work and find another route. Always had a way to make it work and find another route. Always had a way to make it work and find another route. Always had a way to make it work and find another route. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
All right, dudes, as you guys saw in the time lapse, we got the piece of metal that we needed to get in. It's fitted up perfectly. So I basically just wanted to test fit all the pieces in here. So now that I know that the new rocker, this inner dog leg all fits, that I can start cleaning all this stuff up and prep everything to weld. So I'm gonna end it there tonight because it's already midnight. I gotta get up early for work. But yeah, we're in a good spot. Everything's gonna come along. We're gonna have to build some custom stuff here because this was all rotted away. And this is still like rusty as hell, so I wanna cut all this out. And we had to fix this area. But everything in the front here is lining up pretty much perfect with stock. That's literally right up against there. This U is right in here. The only thing is, this probably does have to come down because I had to peel this up. But yeah, other than that, this is fitting up perfect. I just gotta bend this up so I can get this a little bit tighter up here, but we're ready to go. But yeah, I'm gonna end it there. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. We're making a lot of progress and I can't wait to start test fitting the motor and stuff so we can build the transmission mount soon. So yeah, I'll see y'all later. Peace.